Well, many of us has problems areas on our bodies. You know, those stubborn areas of fat we just can't seem to get rid of no matter how much we exercise.
Now there's a way to say goodbye to saddlebags or love handles without surgery. Emily Barrios is texting friends and playing Candy Crush on her phone, all while getting rid of her saddlebags.
It feels a little cold for just a couple minutes, and then I don't feel anything, and it kind of went numb, and it's just relaxing.
The procedure Emily is having at Jon Ric Medical Spa and Wellness Center in Charlotte is called CoolSculpting.
CoolSculpting is a FDA-cleared body contouring device that permanently reduces fat in areas that we are really have a difficult time getting rid of with just diet and exercise. We can treat areas like the abdomen, the flanks, or love handles, or muffin top. We call it a lot of different things. The inner thighs, and now we can treat the outer thighs. Zeltiq has just recently released a new applicator called the Cool Smooth applicator that we can use on the outer thighs to reduce those saddlebags.
CoolSculpting reduces fat by literally freezing fat cells.
The device does pull the fat into the device so that it can freeze it. Some really smart guys at Harvard figured out that if you cool fat cells down, they literally will crystallize, and it tricks them into going into a programmed cell death called apoptosis, and then your body comes in and removes those fat cells permanently.
What makes CoolSculpting so appealing to many patients is that it's non-invasive. It's a simple procedure.
There's no surgery, there's no downtime, there are no supplements, there's no injections, no surgery. So you don't have the side effects that can come along with having a surgical procedure like liposuction.
Lisa Garcia is a mother of 3. She works and is a full-time student. Because of her busy life, she couldn't afford downtime from surgery. That's why she chose CoolSculpting with Dr. Matt Jones at Jon Ric Med Spa.
My recovery time was next to none. The next day was able to go do yoga, and I was able to just perform how I wanted to perform.
Lisa says that after having kids, she developed stubborn fat around her tummy that she just couldn't get rid of, no matter how many sit-ups she did. But after CoolSculpting, she says her stomach is much flatter.
My results were amazing. Within 3 weeks, I've seen half of my pooch just disappear. It was the easiest thing I could possibly do.
All it takes is one treatment to see results. After one treatment, patients typically see a 20 to 25% reduction in the treated area.
Many people will opt for an additional treatment to really get that wow result. The ideal candidate is someone who is already in shape, who has been exercising and has pockets of fat that they just can't seem to get rid of. When you come to Jon Ric, when you're consulting for CoolSculpting, you will see the physician, myself. You will be evaluated and treated by the doctor.
You can learn more about CoolSculpting at a cool event. It is coming up on Wednesday. All the information is there on your screen. It's Wednesday, January 14th. You can attend at noon, 3, or 6 o'clock. Space is limited, so you must RSVP. Call 704-665-0058. 665-0058. A $40 deposit will hold your seat, and then you'll be refunded at the event. You'll see a live demonstration of CoolSculpting and receive a free consultation and evaluation from Dr. Matt Jones at Jon Ric Med Spa. I know that it really works. I've talked to a lot of people who've had it done, and they're so happy with the results.
Well, it's good. Good for them.
I keep saying, Doc, I want you to hit me up
hook me up, Doc.
All right.